Okay, so I have my dongle here, and then I have it up here with my measurements accordingly. So it's 5 centimeters long, 6.5 centimeters long, 2 centimeters long, 0.5 centimeters long. It's a USB-C. Um, and then this has a mass of 5 grams. This has the mass of 5 grams. This is 2 grams, and that's 1 gram. The interesting thing I'm going to do this time is put my 0 point here. Here is my 0. So let's find the location of that center of mass. I'm going to break this into the chunks. Here's chunk 1, here's chunk 2, here's chunk 3, here's chunk 4. These are regular, those are uniform chunks. I think chunk is a nice technical term. So that means each piece's center of mass is at the geometric center. So that means it's going to be right here, right here, right here, and right here. So chunk 1. So mass 1 is 5 grams. Let me write out my equation again. So it's going to be M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 dot dot dot, and then it's going to be M1 plus M2 plus M3 dot dot dot. So M1 is 5 grams. X1 is this way at 2.5 centimeters, but notice it's to the left. It is a negative 2.5 centimeters. All right. Plus chunk 2, which is also 5 grams, but that is 6.5 centimeters, so that's this way. Oh man, 3.25 centimeters plus 3.25 centimeters plus chunk 3. Chunk 3 is 2 grams, and its location is 6.5 plus 1, which is 7.5 centimeters, plus chunk, was it 4? Chunk 4 is 1 gram, and it is located 6.5 plus 2 plus a quarter. Oh man, 6, 7, 8, 5, 8.25. All of that over 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. That negative sign is very important because it tells you it's on the left side of that, of my 0 point. Now I have to do all this math. So quantity 5 times negative 2.5 plus 5 times 3.25 plus 2 times 7.5 plus 1 times 8.25 divided by 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. All right, I get 2.07. And it's positive 2.07 centimeters. That means the center of mass is located 2 centimeters to the right. So the 2 centimeters, it's at 6. That's at 3.5. I need to be at 2. The center of mass of this whole thing is right here. if I set my 0 point over here and do this whole math, I'm going to get a different number, but it should put me at probably 7.07. 2.07 between here and here, 2.07 centimeters. If I set it up over here, where this is my 0 point, it's going to end up with a negative sign going that way. So you can put the 0 point any place you want when you're calculating center of mass. So that's why very much you have to be very careful. The answer is not 2.7. The answer is right there. The answer is right there. So it's from wherever you set your 0 point to be, you'll get a different number. But you'll end up at the same place in space. I'm a poet and I didn't know it.